By now we should be celebrating ukuya ku-World Cup kuyindaba enkulu. Kuyindaba enkulu kakhulu kuya ku-World Cup because it's been over 2 decades Bafana inga-qualify for World Cup. I understand ngo-2020 we were there because we were ama-host. We never had to play any qualifiers yabo. So 20 plus years si-qualify for World Cup. So le generation kumele iye kuma-generations esizowakhumbula kwi-history of South African football, irrespective of ukuthi benze njani ku-World Cup, but for the fact that i-dream esisiselude for almost 2 decades or over 2 decades bakwazile ukuthi bona basibuyisele lelo themba lelo. We should be proud bafethu yabona, and isingabafakeli pressure kakhulu. Into ekumele ngabe siyenza kumele sibanikeze i-full support and just hope for the best and hope ukuthi uNkulunkulu, pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu abe kwi-side laba bafana bahambe basirepresente kahle ku-World Cup. But I think i-generation ezoba successful ku-World Cup ile generation ezolandela emva kwale generation ezolandela la. So i-generation yesithathu, shiya le generation yokomola imokekana, shiya le generation yomfundo vilakazi, norele Mfukeng uzobe khona kuleyo generation leyo. Uyishiya i-generation yoMabhena, uyishiya i-generation yo Langelihle Phili, uyishiya i-generation Shenry Campbell. I-generation ezolandela after leyo ileyo ke kuyomele siyifakele i-pressure ukuthi i-challenge for World Cup, because futhi nakhona kuyodepend ukuthi ama-investments siwenza kahle yini, ngoba kusangenzeka ukuthi after World Cup then kuvele nje yabo izinto zife die down. Kodwa if we do right investments, we should be looking into the 3rd generation le khona manje amavulandlela, they should be considered as heroes yabo. And then abazolandela oLangelihle Philo, oHomola Imokekana, oMfundo Vilakazi, Siyabonga Mabhena, oKhuhlwano Letlahu nabo Rele Mfukeng, they should be challenging World Cup. Kodwa abangase bayiwini World Cup i-3rd generation after le ngiyibalile. So singafaki pressure unnecessary. Always nje ukuthi all the best bafana si celebrate every moment, sibe happy nje, sibe happy. If they win siyabonga, but if they don't win, for as long as they gave their best shot, that should be enough for us. All the best bafana.